Good afternoon, all of you. Computer period has been started. Yesterday, I discussed you characteristics of computer. Now, today, I am teach you classification of computer. Here this chart, three parts of classified. First part, hardware design. Second part, size or capacity. And third part is process. Hardware design has three parts: analog computer, digital computer, and hybrid computer. Now next one is size or capacity. First, supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, and microcomputer. Now purpose. Purpose has two parts: general purpose computer and special purpose computer. See the chart. Now explain the chart briefly. Here, classification of computer, hardware design or input output, capacity or size, and purpose. Hardware design. Now, hardware design are explaining. First point is analog computer, digital computer, and hybrid computer. So now, let's start analog computer. Analog computers were the earliest computer machine developed and were the among and most complicated machine for analog computations and process control. Analog data is not static but rather is of a continuous nature. Example of such data are pressure, temperature, voltage, speed, and weight. Now next one, digital computer. A computer that performs calculation and logical operations with quantity represented as digits, usually in the binary number system. Binary number like 0 and 1. Example, IBM PC, modern smartphone. Now next one, hybrid computer. Hybrid computers are computers that features of analog computers and digital computer. Both feature, digital features and analog features are combined the hybrid computer. The digital components normally serve as the controller and provides logical and numerical operations, while the analog components often serve as a solver of different evaluations and other mathematical complex equations. Now example, ultrasound machine, CT scan machine is the example of hybrid computer. Now next one, capacity or size. Four types of computer: microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer, and last one is supercomputer. Microcomputer. A microcomputer is a complete computer on smaller scale and is generally a synonym for the more common term personal computer or PC and computer design for an individual. In microcomputer, the main functions of microprocessor. Microcomputer The main functions microprocessor is to receive data in the forms of input, process data, gives the output and store data. Now some features. Microcomputer are small in size. They are not very expensive. They are used by a single user to carry out a simple task. Now use. They are mainly used in homes, school, offices, bank, etc. Now next, mini computer. A mini computer is powerful computer that use store capacity and processing speed as compared to a workstation. It is also larger in size than workstation या microcomputer. They use integrated circuit like IC or core memory to function. Now features. Its size is smaller than a mainframe or supercomputer. Mainframe and supercomputer, its size is smaller. It is less expensive than mainframe and supercomputer. It is less powerful than mainframe or supercomputer and more powerful than microcomputer. Use. They are used widely as data processing machine and industrial applications. Now next one, mainframe computer. The mainframe computer is a very large multi-user computer system that can link together millions of users around the world. A mainframe is capable of handling and processing the large magnitude of data at great speed. It can also store a great amount of data. An ATM machine is the example of mainframe computer. ATM machine is the example of mainframe computer. So, mainframe computer is a very large multi-user computer system that link together millions users. Okay? So, ATM machine is the mainframe computer. Now, feature. They are very large in size. They are capable of handling and processing a large extent of data at the great speed. Users. They are also used in large government organizations where huge amount the data needs to be processed and stored, like bank, colleges, etc. Here the picture of microprocessor. Use of microcomputer. This picture is mini computer. Here the picture of mainframe computer. Now last one is supercomputer. Thank you class.